Stop FUDing the market already. The market is down thanks to you. That's what we often see, the fire burning across social media like X or Telegram, where users rant about how the players in the market deliberately spreading panic to manipulate prices. But what exactly is FUD, and why should you care? In simple terms, FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. In fact, it's a psychological tactic that can manipulate markets, sway public opinion, influence decisions, and even crash markets in the desired way they wish is so. Imagine you're walking through a crowded market and someone starts yelling that the apples are poisoned. Suddenly, everyone's running away, prices drop, and chaos ensues. That's FUD in action, folks. Though you now understand the meaning of FUD, but have you actually thought for the reason why people fell into it? Now that we've got the basic meaning down, let's dig a little deeper. Have you ever stopped to think about why people fall into this trap so easily? It's tied to something called the information gap. You see, in the crypto world, most of us are just average traders, scrolling through apps and forums, trying to figure out which coin to buy next. The problem is, information doesn't flow equally to everyone. Big players, like developers or insiders, have first-hand access to news. Think of them as the chefs in a kitchen, cooking up the real deals, while the rest of us are out here picking up scraps from the table. Let me switch gears a bit and talk from the perspective of traders, because that's where things get really interesting. When we're out there picking and choosing coins, it's all about market information, and where do we get them from? Oh boy, in today's social media world, if anyone has noticed, information is everywhere, but it's also a minefield. Any random person like Tom, Dick, or Harry can create and spread stuff effortlessly, even if it's completely false. Picture this: you're deciding whether to buy into a new crypto project, and you see a post on Telegram saying the team is about to pull a rug, meaning they disappear with everyone's money. Is it true? Who knows? But suddenly, doubt creeps in, fear takes over, and you're second-guessing your entire portfolio. And information picking becomes crucial here. For us average traders, this helps identify the real value of the product we're about to buy, or at least estimate its potential price. We're not the creators of these coins, so the gap between us and the companies is huge. So in that case, if anyone's spreading rumors in between the information gap between the average traders like you and the company, it most likely worked, and it worked most of the times. That in any way will cause a portion of the holder to drop their holding, making the price of the much drop, favoring those who shorted the market or looking to purchase the coin at a cheaper level.